This is lesson 13, section 6.5, and we're working with law of cosines and area formula. And this is a supplemental lesson for that, and we're going to take a look at, go back over the PowerPoint notes again. So let's take a look at that. We cannot use the law of sines when we have triangles where we know two sides and the angle in between them. So for the law of sines, we always have to have an angle and a side opposite that angle in order to be able to, at least one of those in order to be able to solve using the law of sines. Or also when we know all three sides but no angles. So what we have to do is use the law of cosines. And in the law of cosines, we have a triangle. And in this triangle, we have three angles, and we'll call this angle A, angle B, and angle C, and three sides. Side A is going to be opposite angle A. Side B will be opposite angle B, and side C will be opposite angle C. And so here we have cosine angle A, and opposite that we have, on the other side of the equal sign, we have side A. So we have A squared is equal to, and then the other two sides, B squared plus C squared. And then we have a minus, and notice that's on all three. 2 times one of each of the B and C, cosine A. Here we have cosine B is opposite side B on our equal sign. And so the other two sides are going to be inside the equal sign minus 2, and then one of each of these two, cosine B. And then cosine C. So each one of these, whatever angle you use, the side that is on the other side of the equal sign is the side opposite that angle that you're using. Okay. And then we'll get back to Heron's formula in a minute. So let's take a look at some problems. And here we have, so this is lesson 13 and 6.5. And so we have a triangle. And in this triangle we have angle A, and we're going to put B over here on the right this time, angle C. Angle A, rather large angle, that's 108 degrees. And so, of course, side A is going to be opposite angle A. So, here we have 15, and that is opposite angle B. So that's our side B, and the side opposite angle C, that's side C, and that's 18. Okay, so notice we don't have any one angle that has a side opposite an angle that we know of. So we have to use the law of cosines. Okay, so we have angle A. So we're going to use A squared equals to B squared plus C squared minus 2 B C cosine angle A. Okay, so we don't know what side A is, so that'll be A squared, but we do know side B, that's 15 squared, and we do know side C, that's 18. Squared minus 2 times 15 times 18. Cosine, and we do know angle A, that's 108 degrees.